Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2020 Dodge Durango GT in granite clear coat. With LED daytime running headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch satin carbon wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, dual zone temperature control, second row heated seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5571.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.